Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back. So I'm gonna go on a vacation as of like Friday, and I thought that I could do 2 videos this week, and this will be one of them. You know, one time I did do a video where I showed the studio from a filming standpoint, but this weekend I got organized a little bit. I mean, I'm sure for some people this is still not organized. I got to turn on the back lights, didn't I? Oh well, anyway. I'm getting ready to leave. That's less lights I got to turn off, right? I'm going to go to Lowe's and to Menards and do some measuring for some construction we're going to do around here in the next week or so. And I thought maybe, since I organized everything in here, you guys might like to see how I organized that. Also in this video, I'm going to announce the international winner of the $100 through PayPal. If you want to see who won, you want to see how I organized this space, then just keep watching. Well, I finally got one of these here chests. It's not a full up the wall one, okay, but yeah, it's something I thought, well, all right, maybe I can finally get away from this desk setup that's going on over here. But anyway, I thought, well, maybe you guys would like to see how I've organized the makeup that I currently own. And maybe I won't get so out of control. I don't know. This here is my Sydney Grace singles, some of them. You'll see the others in just a little bit, but yeah, that's full. And then of course these are just overflow brushes that aren't part of the set. I might be a little out of control with brushes, I don't know. That's just full candy. Thank you, Michelle. One of the Fritzy family sent these to me. They're collector's things for me now. They are the Pure Times Barbie. I think it was the 60th anniversary. Thank you, Carla. I still treasure these. I don't even know if Carla watches me anymore, but she sent those to me. Probably I should rearrange the drawers, you know, so that they're not, like, I don't think they're in the right order. But, so this is primers. These are pretty much drugstore primers. Not that everything else is like that, but I started out that way. And then these are high-end primers. And that doesn't fit in anything, but is a good primer. And then these here are eye primers, glitter glues, stuff like that. So face primers and eye primers are in the first drawer. I don't know what it is about this cabinet, but it smells like cinnamon when I open the drawers. All right, these are bronzers and highlights. So over here we got highlights. And then over here we got my bronzers. This is the bronzer situation here. And so that's the second drawer. See, I smell cinnamon again. This drawer is blush. And these are all cream blushes. I have like gotten rid of lots of stuff. So I don't have a problem, right? This is the drawer I keep mascara, curlers, spoolies. This cabinet smells like cinnamon. That is like sharpeners and refills for those curlers, and these are brow products here. So liners, mascaras, and brows. And then in this drawer, everything's really nice and neat. That's really why I wanted to do this. It's because you'll never see it neat again. I don't put things back right. So lip glosses, lip liners, liquid lips. These are like balms, lip oils, and stuff. There. Powder. Okay, so yeah, it's all setting powder. And this right in through here is pretty much all kinds of like finishing powder. And then this is the foundation, concealer, beauty sponge, setting spray kind of drawer, which probably should be the second drawer. I don't know, maybe I'll switch them around. So that's my new storage unit. Okay, so then this cabinet right here, there's a mirror up there. I'm not going to show you what I look like because I look awful. But this little thing here just holds, that's from Ginny, sent that. My candles. okay, are in there. Oh, and look, this is new. Remember I told you I was collecting the Alice in Wonderland stuff. So Cindy sent me that top thing up there. She's from the channel Old Broad, and she sent me that a while back. It's the Through the Looking Glass from Urban Decay. And then my son got me, well, the Shy Guy got me these palettes here. Okay, those are the Alice in Wonderland palettes. But my son got me those signs. That's the sign right there. And that Cheshire Cat. Of course, that's my copy of Alice in Wonderland from, I think, 1950 is the year on it. My mom got it for me a long time ago. And that chair that's like 120 years old, quite literally, it belonged to my great-great-grandmother, or was it my great-great-great? Whatever. Anyway, so these are the studio lights. Let's just go this way. These are shampoos and stuff. That's where I put dirty brushes. So obviously right this second, they're all clean. Nail stuff is in there. I sit on that pillow sometimes. Just stuff, you know. The background set. Kim sent me this. Sherry sent me that. I have you guys sprinkled throughout the studio. Here's other evidence that I might have a brush problem. Okay, computer, and let's go through the other drawers. Okay, so this here is now what I'm going to do is, like, this carousel is going to take my stuff I'm using. I just was trying that. It's like the wrong shade, but anyway, that's just set there. I'll put that away. See what I'm doing? I'm not putting away things again. I'm not putting this away. But this is my stash. Okay, I guess people say shop your stash. So I'm putting the makeup that I'm currently rotating through on that carousel. Do you even want to see what's on there? I don't know. The lights, the camera, the makeup mirror, you know, the brushes I use on the daily. My sunscreen I didn't put away. I'm doing it already. The jewelry I wear just about every day. In there is cotton stuff, you know, Q-tips, stuff like that. The other one is up there because I still don't know what to do with it. I don't know. Do you care what's on this thing? It's just more makeup. You know, if I swirl it around, maybe you can stop and see what things are. I don't know. That would get exhausting going through all this stuff, right? Because in here is drawers with, you know, eyeliners and mascaras and stuff that I'm currently using on the daily. So, yeah. All right, anyway, so then the eyeshadow. You might be saying, well, Mary, where's all your eyeshadow? Okay, that's what's in these drawers. It's over here. So in the top drawer, we have like caviar sticks and stuff like that. We got like, you know, topper kind of things, single eyeshadows. And what else are the single eyeshadows? No, those are mirrors. Wait, there's a single eyeshadows back here. Those are like semi-grace liquid cream eyeshadows. That's what they're called. Pigments are in there. Can you see? There's some pigments in there I really love. Mirrors. These should be in the cleaning thing, but you know, sometimes I wash brushes on the daily because I don't want them to get all messed up again, and I don't want to have to go rooting through everything for some of these. And then in the second drawer are like smaller eyeshadow palettes that are more luxury. Like these are my Tom Fords. The Bobbi Brown that I just got, Charlotte Tilbury, Lancome, Pat McGrath, more Lancome back in there, Busy Art. You know, just smaller palettes are in this drawer. And then these are some larger palettes. Kind of have sections going on like Urban Decay and Too Faced and Sigma, and probably that should go in the other drawer because it's smaller, right? And these are more smaller ones right there. And then on the other side, in the top drawer, there's just like backup. Like these are eyelash things, you know, if I ever need to wear individual lashes or whatever. There's a bunch of those in here. Glue, all that kind of stuff. These are items that are like deluxe samples and blister packs and stuff like that, because I like to put those things in giveaways. This has got backup items in it. And then down here is pretty much my Sydney Grace drawer. So, except for this right here, this has Makeup Geek and MAC shadows are in that, but everything else in this drawer is Sydney Grace. So like palettes, and then 2 or 3 more Z palettes full there. Sydney Grace. And then, you know, behind me, of course, is the mic. I move it out of the way. That's how I sometimes forget that I am filming with a mic. My headphones. That's how I know that there's noises. That bag is full of sunscreen. This, my purse, my umbrella, my Tom Ford sunglasses. Basically up there is like cleaning stuff, you know, like Bifacil, Garnier, little tiny needles that I don't do anything with. You know, stuff like that. Okay, so that's, yeah. That's pretty much it. And there's the sign on the monitor that tells me to make sure I take care of the mic, the computer, and the air conditioning before I start filming.
Eventually.
And Linda, I want you to know that I contacted Laura from Sydney Grace, and she says if you would like, I can get you a gift certificate to Sydney Grace so that you can get what you want there. If you guys aren't having a blessed day, just go be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you. See ya. Bye. And I'm out.
I'm so good at sucking that through the straw. I'm so good at sucking through the straw, I got it all over my arm. Yeah. You have to be careful with these metal straws that you don't bang your teeth with them. You know, see, and it's like taking your nails on a chalkboard. Ice, coffee, dun 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 dun. Yeah. You know, I thought I could make a video and be serious and not actually have any fritziness, but no, that's not gonna happen.